In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror camera Microsoft Teams. When you're actively participating in a Microsoft Teams meeting, or perhaps just setting up your camera before joining one, you might observe that your self-view appears a little differently than how you typically perceive yourself in a physical mirror. This is a common preference for many users, and we're going to show you how to easily adjust it to your liking. Your very first step is to precisely locate the camera icon within your Microsoft Teams interface. This essential icon is usually found within the meeting control bar, typically positioned at the bottom of your screen if you are already engaged in a call, or readily visible on the pre-join screen just before you formally enter a meeting. Directly adjacent to this camera icon, you will then spot a small, distinct downward-pointing arrow. This arrow indicates that there are more detailed options available for your video settings. Click on this arrow to reveal a convenient drop-down menu that provides quick access to various camera and video configurations. This initial action is fundamental for moving forward and accessing the specific mirroring function we're looking for. After successfully clicking that downward arrow beside your camera icon, a convenient drop-down menu will instantly appear on your screen, presenting you with several choices. From the options now displayed, your next crucial step is to identify and then click on the selection labeled More Video Effects and Settings. This particular option is incredibly important, as it serves as your direct entry point into a much more comprehensive and detailed customization panel. This panel is where you can fine-tune a wide array of visual aspects related to your video feed. It's thoughtfully designed to consolidate all potential visual adjustments, encompassing everything from applying different background effects to managing your core camera preferences, bringing them all into one easily navigable location. By actively choosing More Video Effects and Settings, you are effectively instructing Microsoft Teams that you wish to explore and modify the deeper configurations of how your camera's output is not only displayed, but also managed, moving beyond just basic on-off functions. This important click will then open a dedicated sidebar or a new window, depending on the specific version of Microsoft Teams you are currently using, which is exclusively dedicated to advanced video-related customizations. Now that you are inside the More Video Effects and Settings panel, which should have opened either as a sidebar or a dedicated window, you will observe various categories and options. While this section offers diverse choices like background effects, filters, and styles, our specific objective here is to adjust the fundamental behavior of your camera itself. Therefore, within this comprehensive panel, your third crucial action is to identify and then click on the option that is simply labeled Settings. It's important to understand that this particular settings link or button is specifically designed to direct you to the fundamental device settings for both your camera and, often, your microphone. This is distinct from the broader general settings for the entire Teams application. Rather, it's exclusively focused on your audio and video hardware configurations. Clicking this settings option ensures that you are precisely in the correct section required to modify how your camera functions, including critical aspects like its orientation and how its display is presented for your personal self-view. You are now precisely in the camera settings section, which is exactly where we need to be to make this important adjustment. Within this panel, take a moment to look for an option that specifically mentions Mirror My Video, or simply Mirror Video. This setting is typically presented as a toggle switch, allowing you to easily turn it on or off. The default setting in Teams often shows you a non-mirrored view of yourself, meaning what you see is the direct feed from your camera, which can feel somewhat reversed or unnatural if you are accustomed to looking at your reflection in a physical mirror. To switch this to your preferred mirrored view, simply click or tap the toggle switch to the on position. Once activated, your self-view will instantly flip, showing you a mirrored reflection, just like you would see yourself in a physical mirror. This adjustment affects only what you see of yourself on your screen. Other participants in the meeting will still see your video feed as non-mirrored, which is the standard and expected way for them to view you. This option is particularly helpful for presenters who might be reading text from a teleprompter, or for anyone who prefers a more natural self-perception during their video calls. And that's it. You've successfully mirrored your camera in Microsoft Teams.